Alright, what is up, YouTube? I wanted to make a video of all these parts that I got. Put my phone down. So, main reason why I haven't done a video was because, as you can tell, there's a lot of stuff I need to talk about. But the main reason was because of this. A little accident I had. My fault, but it will get taken care of. The car will get repainted and, you know, yeah, with time this will get better. Also, I haven't been tripping about like washing the car and shit because I'm just like, the car is gonna get repainted either way. I'm waiting. It's gonna be like more than $1,000, but I know someone, so that's what I'm gonna hook up. But it's not just painting that part, it's like the whole car and also doing like body works, so everything's like nice and perfect. But that's why I've been making videos, because I'm not in the mood. And plus, the transmission I have is having some problems. I already bought a new transmission for my shop. They're working with me, so just the transmission itself is like 400 bucks. I bought it Tuesday, I believe, or Monday, which is about 2 days ago, whatever. And then the labor to install it, which I could do myself, but I'm not, is around 600 something. So that's why I haven't installed anything or done anything. But so here's some of the stuff I do have. So starting off with like the easy shit. Rain guards I want to install, but just need to look at more videos how to. It's for the TC from 05 to 10. Just, they'll look nice. I mean, I think it's just for here. There. That's, I'm going to have to figure that out, but there you go. Or unless it's like this. No, there's no way. But I don't know, we'll figure that out. So that's the rain guards. Or yeah, rain guards. So here's one of the things I've been wanting to, but with the accident and shit, I'm not gonna waste it. So these are new headlights. So as you can tell, these are old, ugly, and faded. So here's a new one. These are the Sped D. Shit, I don't know if there you go. The projector headlights. I think they have halos or something. I don't know. But there's a quick connector. I'm still getting all the stuff for the headlights. But I'm not rushing on this. I'm gonna install them after the car gets repainted, so I'm not rushing the headlights. So that's the headlights. Let's talk about this. These are just exhaust hangers. These are Torque Solution, a really good brand. I'm gonna order Torque Solution, the front motor mount, which should get rid of some of the wheel hop I get. So these are a little stiffer exhaust hangers. These are the exhaust mount kit. Comes with 5. Need to install these. Could do it today, but I have to figure some stuff out with that. Let's put this away in the box. I have a Walbro 255 with the installation kit, and my cousin that's upstairs, he's gonna help me install this. So I have the Walbro. Okay, let's move on. What else? So here's my AEM FIC with the plug and play harness, and then the little USB connection is upstairs. And then that's the harness. Nothing much there. Oh, I thought it was my parents. Moving on. Shit, about to fall. I have an Mishimoto Oil Cooler. I put the little tape. Really? Put the Teflon tape on. I'm gonna wait for these fuckers. Need to shut their shit up. So I put the Teflon tape on there. Just because, but I've literally had it for a year and haven't installed it. Here are the lines. Here's the plate itself. As you can tell, I put Teflon tape, but just haven't even installed it. So there's that, and then these are the adapter pieces for your specific vehicle. I don't know which one goes in my car. I don't know if there's a difference, but either way, these are the adapter pieces. So this will go on, and this goes in here, and then you put your filter, and then that's it. And then I also got, it's from O'Reilly's. It's a kit for actually like installing the oil cooler to like the car. So this will just grab. I'm gonna have to figure it out. But there's like 4 of them, and then there's like washers, bolts, and shit, and then little hangers for the lines and whatnot. So it was like 12 bucks. So I was like, okay, cool. So that's the whole oil cooler. So as you can tell, I do have some gauges. I'll tell you why later, but this is a Turbosmart, a mechanical, I think that's what they call it, mechanical gauge. Here's the vacuum line. Here's the stuff that it came with, and pretty self-explanatory. There's the boost gauge. Eventually I will get AEM boost gauge, but for now we have that. Now moving on to the something that cost me a really pretty penny, the AEM AFR. So it comes with everything you need. It comes with even with the white face. I'm gonna keep it black, so black theme, whatever. Comes with everything, all the wires, the O2, well, it's not an O2 sensor, but yeah, the sensor. Comes with everything you need. This was expensive, probably as much as this oil cooler. So just 1 gauge. Yeah, so that's what it would look like. So you would have all of this nice and pretty. Okay, is that another car coming? Yes, yes it is. I thought it was my dad, because my dad has a Tacoma. So, oh wait, let's put that in there. I do not want to lose none of this. This is a lot of money for me. I'm broke. All right, now I already talked about that. Okay, and the gauges. So the reason I have gauges is because this car is going to get boosted. So I have a lot of stuff that I've been getting because I want to go boosted, or I want to get boosted, sorry. So the oil cooler, as you can tell, to get the oil temp down. So that's why I got that. I'm gonna install it sometime. Probably I need to do my oil change in about 400 miles, which is like 4 days, you know. So that's something I do want to get installed ASAP. But moving on to the good stuff. So here is my no, let's save this for last. It's nothing important. I think you guys want to see this. Ooh, I did get this kit used from eBay. My friend did take it. Ooh, oil. That's dirty oil. Oh shit, I'm gonna drop it. This is a precision, I think it's a 60 mil turbine. I don't know the specs. I have to go check them out again. But here's my turbo. Ooh, I do have to like put this back. I might just buy a brand new feed line. I think it's the feed line or drain line. I don't remember. So here's the turbo. Let's see. No shaft play. Let's see. See if you can hear it. Nothing. So we'll see how this goes. Hopefully my car doesn't blow up. But my friend did take it to a shop to get it checked out, and they said it was fine. So we'll see. And then here's the manifold for the turbo. I am trying to wrap it, but it's fucking difficult, man. But we'll see.